Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Adam and I have another video for you guys. And what are we doing?
We are going to see how well we know each other. And if we don't know, we're going to pay the consequences.
Yeah, so we're going to have some fun stuff for you guys. If whoever gets it wrong has to pick out some things to do out of a hat. And these are fun and juicy things that we're going to do. So if you're interested in seeing who knows who better, then please keep watching. Bella's here so she can be the referee and make sure that nobody's cheating. Oh, Bella Bear. Yeah, my baby. She'll be watching.
She'll be behind scenes.
Yeah. We're going to answer on a notepad. So Adam, get your notepad ready.
And you can't, obviously when we answer, we gotta kind of like keep it like on the side.
Yeah, we don't want any cheaters. Alright, so the first question applies to me. So I will write the right answer and Adam will write what he thinks.
No.
Yeah. Because my answer,
so I'm gonna
we're
get,
both answering.
I know, but I'm gonna be the one getting punished if I get it wrong.
Well, no shit. You just said I go first.
I thought you go first, like you get punished first.
So I just picked a question. So this is about me.
I'm freaking nervous.
What is my favorite brand of clothing?
That is ridiculous. How am I supposed to know that question? You shot about 1,000 different places. And not once have you ever mentioned your favorite brand. How much time do I have to answer this now?
This is an easy question, actually, if you ask me.
See, I'm trying to think of how long she's writing. That's how I'm going to cheat. I'm trying to cheat smart.
On the count of 3. 1.
This is going to be long, I already know it.
3.
Oh, shit, yeah!
You got it right?
Hell yeah.
Can they see it?
Yeah, they can hear.
Good job, Adam.
Go with your gut feeling. Alright, question for her is, what am I deathly afraid of?
Deathly afraid of?
I don't even know the answer to that.
This is such a vague question and I'm gonna get it wrong.
Basically, I'll just put it like this. What's my biggest, like, what am I most scared of?
Count of 3. 1.
Make sure you put it close
2,
to the thing.
3.
What is your heights?
Fuck!
What did you put?
Roaches?
What the hell? I'm not that bad about roaches.
Yeah, you are.
It's about heights, right?
Why didn't I think of heights? Yeah.
Is that how you spell
You
it?
don't know how to spell?
I thought it was H-I-J-T-S.
No.
That's how you spell it?
Yes.
Oh. Alright, so now since she got it
Alright,
wrong.
now let's get to the juiciness.
Oh, shit. Alright, go ahead. I hope it's something really good.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
You already got one? What is it? Oh, oh, that one's easy.
Tickle my pickle shot?
It's a pickle shot.
Tickle my pickle?
It's a shot.
Tickle my pickle shot. Here's my pickle shot. You know, the great thing about taking a pickle shot is that I do like pickles. So I got lucky, really lucky with this one.
So now that means I'm gonna get a bad one on mine.
Right. So cheers for anyone watching. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh, damn it. I thought you got grossed out.
Mm.
Please be easy, please be easy.
What is my favorite movie of all time?
Oh, that one's
You're
easy.
getting the easy one.
It's like the only movie she likes.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. What is it?
Devil Wears Prada.
Yeah. That one was easy. That's like the only movie she likes out of every damn movie in the world.
Yeah, it's so
She
true.
hates
I
watching
love
movies.
it. And I talk about it a lot. And that's how he knows.
Language.
I'm sweating just like... Oh my god.
Alright, this question's about me. I like this game. I like this game again.
Where'd my marker go though?
It's right there in front of you. What is my favorite ice cream flavor?
Okay, I don't know. It could be one of 2.
I get this shit all the time. Whether I get something else, it's always with this thing.
Okay, I'm just gonna play it safe and I hope I'm right.
Are you going with your gut, like I mentioned?
I don't know, because you always get one thing mixed with another thing. You always get chocolate and pistachio.
Chocolate? I never get chocolate.
You always get chocolate with pistachio.
I don't never get chocolate. You obviously don't know me. Anyways.
Well, then let me give me another second.
I never get chocolate. What the fuck?
I'm gonna stick to my answer. Ready?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Nope.
What is it?
Cookies and cream.
What the fuck?
I always get cookies and cream.
No, you do not. You do not.
I always get cookies and cream. Everywhere I go. Even your brothers probably know that.
No, you do not. You freaking recently we went to go get ice cream. He did not get cookies and cream. He got freaking Oreo and Chips Ahoy. And then
because I wanted to try that one out, the Briars one.
And then when we go to
Baskin Robbins.
I haven't gone to Baskin Robbins with you, sir.
I love cookies.
But I have gone to freaking what's that other one? Cold Stone, and he gets freaking chocolate with pistachio.
Because you can't get a regular flavor at Cold Stone.
So
you have to make your own shit up.
True. Bella,
take me if regular
Bella,
ice cream flavor.
Tell me I'm right, Mama.
Anyway, she has to do another challenge.
Well, you know, I guess I'm making this juicy. Here, mix. Oh, I hope I dropped the wrong one.
I already know what that one is. You got lucky.
Did I?
I think so. I think it's, yeah. No.
Wild card.
So basically, this one is.
Oh, yeah.
There's 6 options in there, and I get to choose which one she does.
You guys don't know all the options that we have here yet, but you'll see. I know you want to be mean.
I kind of do want to be mean.
Do it. Do it if you have to.
Here you go.
Oh my god, I thought the face one.
No.
This is a habanero, guys.
So she just has to take a bite, like nothing like crazy, but
so
just a regular
I
bite.
think I have gallstones, self-diagnosed, of course, and this is gonna kill me for sure if this is hot. This
right there is good. I'll be nice. I'll be nice. That's all she bit. Maybe like a quarter inch.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright.
I chewed it as fast as I can and swallowed it. Did not let it hit my
I'll
tongue.
be nice. Okay.
That actually isn't hot. Yeah. This is about me, and I hope
Please be easy. Please be
it's
easy.
not easy. Do I prefer vanilla or chocolate?
That's a good question because I wouldn't even know. I guess we can make it interesting.
Alright, ready?
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Vanilla.
Oh, bull poop. That's bullshit. You do not like vanilla.
I
You're
do!
lying sack of shit. You just want me to... She did that shit on purpose.
No,
I guarantee
did not.
it. I guarantee it. What do you vanilla you like?
Vanilla cupcake.
Yeah, whatever. Babe, what kind of chocolate or cupcake do you want? Oh, give me chocolate. All the time. All the time. I swear she just did that shit so I could do something. I already knew it. In my back of my head, I was like, fuck, she's gonna pick vanilla.
No,
just to fuck with the vanilla.
No, I did not.
I don't see her eat vanilla candy. She's always eating chocolate candy.
There's no vanilla candy.
Yes, there is.
What's vanilla
Cookies
candy?
and cream vanilla flavor.
What the fuck?
Whatever.
He's so mad because Adam.
No, it's not that I'm mad.
Adam is a sore loser. He's
Not that I'm
a
mad.
sore
It's just that
loser.
I really, really know that
This
she
is how he
likes
gets.
chocolate.
This is how he gets.
But whatever. Let me see what I gotta do. And but knowing my luck, I'm gonna get something really bad. Like her shit hasn't even been that bad. I can't look, huh? Oh, I'm gonna like looking at that onion like.
I forgot about that.
It's gonna be an onion.
I'm sweating.
Oh hell yeah! Oh, we're not really. Gosh damn it.
Wild card. Dun, dun, dun. So Adam has to bite into an onion.
I don't want to play no more.
Doesn't have to be like an apple bite.
Hell no, it's not. Even if it was, I was not gonna do an apple bite on this damn thing.
Go ahead and take your bite. Kind of sounds good.
Mm-mm. It tastes better than an In-N-Out burger.
It looks like you got red.
I probably did. Alright, so my question for me is, what's my favorite song at the moment? Ooh, shit, I don't even know this one. That's a ladies.
This is the last time I let anybody else pick our damn questions because they clearly don't get the freaking point of this game.
This is the point of the game.
I guess.
Just because you're mad because you're gonna get this one wrong.
Clearly.
Because I don't even know what's my favorite song at the moment. Wait, is it the song name?
I guess so.
So I don't even know the song name. I just know that the. Oh, you've seen my answer.
Trust me, it don't matter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. N-A.
What? Not applicable?
Excision. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Thanks, Alvaro.
I could have thought about that.
You could. I told you I've been getting, like, I started listening to that guy, and that's all I've been listening to because I don't really listen
But
to
he's a
music.
DJ. He's not a song.
So I'm saying I didn't know the song.
So
I was trying to figure either way you're going to get it wrong.
that's why I put N-A.
So far, we've come to the conclusion that we don't really know much about each other.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's bullshit, man.
Another pickle shot.
That is weak sauce. We should take those out now.
No. Woo. So this one's about me?
Mm-hmm. What's my favorite color?
What the fuck?
Is it? Oh, shit. And the thing is, I don't even know her favorite color.
What is my favorite color? That is the question.
Actually,
You guys really don't believe me? It is here. Oh my god.
Damn, I'm pretty good. I don't know what's the color. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Blush.
Oh, hell yeah. I put peachy.
No, peachy.
Peachy's blush. Like,
No, peachy is orange. Peachy is a shade of orange.
peachy's like,
Blush is
like a
shade
beige.
of pink.
Oh, well, perfect. I put pink peachy.
I don't know if that
What do you guys
counts.
think? Bella, where's Bella? Where's our judge?
Bella is out of
Oh,
here.
shit.
She was tired of this game because
Pink peachy, like a beige-ish color. That's blush. See, I did. You guys didn't know, but I mixed pink and peach.
No,
Peach.
it says favorite color, not your favorite two colors.
Well, I don't know how to say blush. I could have put beige, but pink and peachy is beige.
Pink and peachy.
Makes beige.
Well,
Makes blush.
no, beige is not the color.
Blush is not even a color. Now that I
Blush
think
is a
about
color.
it.
If you go to Home Depot and you look for blush, you're gonna find a blush color pink.
A blush color pink.
So
Keyword blush color pink. So the color is pink, but it's a blush.
But I
set.
didn't ask for two colors.
Oh, whatever. I'll do something.
That's cheating.
Well, I don't know how to.
What should we do? Should I give you a wild card? Should you pick one?
No, I'll pick one.
Alright.
This is rigged.
I'm telling you guys, he's a sore loser. He gets like this.
Ah, damn it.
What is it? Doma, face full of cream. Oh!
Forgetting my.
Adam wrote these, and he did a good job.
Alright.
Well, guys, I get to put whipped cream on Adam's face. We're putting it on a plate, and how do I do this? Oh, here we go.
She's never obviously viewed.
Clearly, I don't really eat this, so
Oh, yeah, right.
I eat this.
Yeah.
On what?
That's because I serve it for you all the time.
On what?
On your Sundays?
Nope, I don't even eat Sundays.
Hey, relax.
Well, it has to get on your face.
Oh. Oh, man.
Okay, ready?
No.
I'm so scared to even do it. Okay, so here's the whipped cream. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I started growing on my beard, too. Gosh damn it.
Alright. Oh my god. Okay, do you want to look at me?
No, go ahead and do it.
So they can see the
Oh,
side.
gosh. I thought you were going to do it. I closed my eyes. I was like, alright, go.
So they can see the side. Okay.
Just hurry up before I, like...
I should have known for the
I can't see.
I'm choking.
What?
You should be the one choking.
You got-
I fell on the notepad.
Did it?
My stomach is hurting.
Oh my god, these are my favorite shorts. You better have that on the video.
I can't. My stomach is hurting.
What's my shoe size?
10 and a half.
Damn it. It is.
I actually scribbled it and I was gonna put 10. Do I prefer socks or no socks? You don't know?
That's retarded.
Do I prefer socks or no socks?
Are we wearing heels? Or we're not wearing sneakers? Are you going to work or what?
It doesn't matter. What do I prefer? Socks or no socks?
Oh, now you changed it.
Socks.
Oh, hell yeah. Woo.
I always prefer socks.
Yeah. Ooh, I got a good one. What's my favorite Disney movie?
I have no idea because clearly I thought it was Lion King.
I knew you were going to say
Because he
that.
acted like to watch the movie like, oh my god, this is my childhood,
That's
blah
my
blah
favorite.
blah blah blah. But I just put Tarzan.
Nope. Fox and the Hound.
That's a fucking movie?
It's a very well put together Disney movie, yes.
Never heard of it.
Fox and the Hound, I guarantee like 99% of the viewers have seen that movie.
I don't know.
Well, anyways, perfect. You lost. She just a sorry loser. Oh, man.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. I want to do that one.
Alright.
You put all that in your mouth. That one.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I'll take it off. Take it off.
Oh my god, I can't.
Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. The more you laugh, the more I'm going to keep on eating it and I'm going to get fat.
I can't,
Or better.
I can't even move it.
Lost the point.
Oh my god.
I can do this shit all day. And peanut butter,
I can't.
you're doing a good job. Well, don't let me in and choke.
It's bad. I can't move it.
Well, let me see your mouth.
I can't control
Here, spit it out. Where's the tissue at? Here, spit it out. Nigga, Bella wants some.
I spit a little bit, but
No. Look at Bella.
try to cook him. Oh my god.
That was a good one. See, I chose a good one. That was my idea on this thing.
That was hard.
I told you.
My eyes are crying. This is so hard.
This shit's good.
Oh my god. Where's my phone?
It's over there. Here,
Oh.
while your mom's taking her time, you could have yours.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, that's fucking hard.
Alright, relax. You're done. You think, huh?
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Tarzan.
That shit was intense.
I'm kind of happy we don't have to take any tequila shots. I hate tequila. Would you have rather have done that or the tequila shot?
Honestly, I thought the tequila shot was gonna be the hardest one. But this peanut butter one, I felt like I couldn't breathe. I couldn't move anything in my mouth.
No.
It was too much. Alright, well, I think we equally know each other.
Kind of, yeah. We kind of know.
It just depends on the question. But this was fun.
Pretty fun video.
I had a lot of-
I had a good time.
I had a lot of fun. And
I can still taste the onion, and I feel like I really smell like something weird.
whipped cream.
Like whipped cream.
Hope you guys like this video and want to see more. If you do, please let us know below and give us some more ideas of videos that we
That
should
you guys want to see or that we should make.
Alright, until next time guys, we will see you. Bye!
Peace.